Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. We just came back in from running to a couple stores. I'm gonna show y'all some of the things we got. Went to Marshall. We got a lot of candles from Marshall. So before I go over the candles, let me show you what we ordered from off of Amazon. My mint oil. This is my first time buying this. My mother loves this, so why not give it a try? Head and Shoulders Royal Oil line. If you have any scalp dandruff issues, this right here is what you want to try. Shampoo, and this is the cream. You can use it twice a day, every other day, however you need to. Some thick winter socks. Some of my pants are kind of like hot water, or I get them 3/4 length because I'm tall. So I could throw these on, keep me nice and warm. They're so cute. I like the style. Like some poopery. You're in the bathroom doing number 2. Spray this before you do number 2. Nobody would never know. Love this stuff. And then let me tell you, the Ole Henderson Acid Done Bright. So I had this in my cart on Sephora, and I was going to buy it. I don't know what was making me wait, and I want to say it's probably like $25 or $29. I gotta look and see. I really wanted it just for the exfoliator. I've been trying to find a new one that I really like, and baby, when I seen this at Marshall's for $10, I had to grab it. I was like, oh my gosh, they got it at Marshall's. So this comes with a scrub, toner, and perfector. I don't know what this last one is for. Night treatment. And I probably just have y'all tasting the candles because there's a lot of candles. So these are all the new candles. I got these last week. So I'm going to show you the ones we've been working on. Sand and Fog, and this is Forest. Girl, it smells so good. We've been burning it in our room. It smells like winter time. I freaking love these. 2 of these for our bedroom. And this one we had downstairs, the Floral Bamboo by Sand and Fog again. Oh gosh, it smells so good. I love floral smells for downstairs. All right, so all of these are the new candles. Storm. This one was on sale. I forgot, we didn't peel the thing off. I forgot how much it was. It's probably $6. But it's the same as this candle, Storm. It's just different writing. I don't know. But oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good and sweet, and it smells so good. I love these for our bedroom. So we got 3 Storms. Oh my gosh, they smell so freaking good. And the original price is $7.99. So 1, 2, 3. And look at this. Sand and Fog again. And this is Basil Cedar. And I like this because it has a Santa Claus on top. And he's so cute. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to try to remember to keep the top. I think this is the cutest thing ever. And this smells like Christmas time again. These 2, same. Winter White. This is, I think he brown. Brown Santa Claus on top as well. And again, it smells like pine. I love winter candles. I try to keep a good stock. So even in the summertime, I'll still burn the pine and winter smell. Another one, Clean Leaves. This one, it reminds me like of a fall cologne. Still smell good as well. Limited edition Village Candle, Christmas Pine, Jupiter Cedarwood Musk, and this was $12.99. Baby, oh my god. Now this smells straight like a Christmas tree. Oh, straight like a Christmas tree. I don't know. And since no, we're going to put something over here in our little candle display, please. So this little tray I got from Dollar Store, and these 3 candle pieces, the cutter, the wick, if it falls, you can pick it up with this little thing, and then it's a smother. The candle, when it's on, got these 3 from Target, $3.99 a piece. And this is the electric lighter from Amazon. Yeah. But that's all a couple things that I got today at Marshall's, I think. My man, but his birthday is coming up, and he wanted a leather coat for his birthday, so I already ordered it for him, and he got it. That thing is nice. I love the way leather smells. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna buy me one so we could both have our leathers on for his birthday. So I brought me one, and I'm gonna show y'all when it comes. And I'm starting to take my hair out because I got a dress coming too that I want to wear on his birthday. So us girls, so the dress is not a braids dress. It's a dress that I want my hair to be out and straight. So I need to take this out, probably dye my hair black and straighten it. I don't know. girls, y'all know, like certain outfits, you want your hair either braided, cornrow, straight, curly. We just like that. So I said, let me take these out, even though they look really good. They're not even bad, but sometimes you gotta make a sacrifice for fashion, and that's what I'm doing. Oh, I didn't even do a braces update. I'll do that separately, but my tooth is right here. My canine too. But we about to eat, and I want to take a nap because it's Saturday. I like taking my naps on Saturdays for sure. If I don't, then I'll take my Sunday. But I'm going to the gym with my sister tomorrow, so I don't think I'm taking a nap. So I'm gonna eat, take a nap, and I'll highlight y'all probably tomorrow or earlier next week when I show y'all the leather when it comes.
So they the same size pot? It's just that I don't understand.
These got handles on it. They don't.
So that's why it's making.
These do look kind of wider.
Right. That's why I was looking like.
But when I put it over there,
it work. You got a cake.
We could trim the bitches on the side. I ain't got time for this. But these are closer than the other ones.
Right.
In size.
Yeah. And it's gonna cook faster, so you ain't gotta worry about that.
Crazy. I like a lady. Yeah, she know that I come out of us. Yeah, she know that I'll make it right back. I feel like it's fun and I just got a time. I did it again and I just got a pen. Yeah, shawty looking at eyes like she from mom. 10 bangs for the fake now. They tryna rob that shawty. She Spanish, she calling me Poppy. Walked in the city, your bitch, probably. And I just fucked your hoe, probably. Told me
So in the blender, all we have is the dehydrated strawberries, the whole pack, and the whole pack of golden Oreos with some butter. So I'm gonna mix this. This is gonna be the strawberry crunch for the outside of the cake. Strawberries over there drying, and cakes frosting. Go ahead, hit it, man. Hey.
So hit the on button.
Yes.
Now medium.
Whatever you want it to be.
You ready?
Ready. I'm stay ready, baby. So I ain't got to get ready.
All right, good.
That's the what the rest in bees do, right?
I never heard of rustin' bee. I'm surprised that's old. But I wonder what they mean by rustin' though.
Your face is
You
resting
just
and
say
ready.
that like it's just stuck like that. It's resting on that
On that face.
Yeah.
On the main face.
I don't know if I'm doing this right.
Yeah, you got
You can have a rustin' face.
So you got it. I want to get how this face. Okay?
Oh, let's be besties face.
Okay, right.
Oh, wow, y'all.
So it's gonna be somebody's best friend.
Y'all remember how from pre-K?
Elementary school.
Like, no. I do not.
Or her. Him or her. And they besties. Girl.
Look good. Maybe if you put the strawberries on the side of me, like one there, one.
Oh yeah, she pretty. Oh yeah. Yeah, girl. Beautiful.
Hey y'all, it's hot up here. It's fans going everywhere. I just wanted to jump in and say, hey, how you doing? Today is my man's birthday. Yesterday, I was making a cake, strawberry crunch cake for his birthday. I just got my face put on and it is hot, so it just started to curl up. So, wait a minute. I'm gonna take my hair down, probably lace something on these edges, and we got to go. Whew. Let's see how this hair look. I dyed my hair black, 1B. So I lay here at the Walmart when I went to get some hair color, and I said, okay, 1B is fine with me. Better do nothing. Didn't feel like stopping past any other stores. Okay, looking cute. It'll fall some more on our way out. I don't want to keep touching it because it's hot and I know it's gonna frizz up. I'm gonna put something on my lips. Do a dark lip. Nice fall lippy. I did my nails too. This is vegan nail polish. got from Target yesterday. After that fiasco with my nails this year, being infected and everything, I'm only going to use vegan polish now. I don't even have anything to put on my edges. You know what, I'm going to do these edges downstairs because I don't even have no comb up here and I'm rushing. But I just wanted to show y'all fragrance, lamb comb, the Viet Bell. Dress is from Shein. Freaking love it. It's long and the back is open. This is the back. I'm with my YSL bag and I don't know what shoes I'm gonna put on my feet, so I gotta finish plucking my hair. This is my look. She grown, she cute. Let's go. No jacket because it's hot. Birthday dinner. I'm so hungry. I told them it's Al's birthday. I cannot wait to eat. They have calamari, they have mussels. We haven't had mussels in a while. It seems like a lot of restaurants were out of them or they didn't carry it. So I cannot wait to eat. One thing about me, baby, she gonna eat. Drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Man, can I get y'all any drinks or y'all okay with the water?
I'm okay with water for now.
Are we all ready for water as well?
You know what you want? Question. For the South salmon, can I substitute salmon for another fish? Would that be okay? You can. A couple more minutes. Then.
Take your time, take your time.
Thanks. Who's that, cherry in it or something? My grandmother used to drink whiskey.
For real? Bonzella?
Back in the day, like long time ago.
That's why me and her got.
And they used to let us taste it.
What? Are you serious?
Dinner was amazing. The atmosphere is so nice. It's off the water. Show you.
I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories. Don't you love when
Just leaving dinner. He behind the camera. I enjoyed myself. Did you enjoy yourself?
I did.
Had a good time. I would say the food, everything was a 10 out of 10, except for my meal. My meal was a little room temperature. I need my food to be hot. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh boy, she got to take credit, boy.
Woo! Yay! Alright, let's go to good. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. We are looking for furniture, living room furniture. We are at Gavigan's right now, sitting on this big old plush couch. Girl, this thing is comfortable. I don't mind another sectional, but my man don't want a sectional, so trying to find something else. Let's see what else they got going on. So he said no to that.
Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take a little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave.
We at Rockin' Toss. We really not even supposed to be here. We going to Wegmans because we want to get some lamb and doing our grocery shopping, but we a little hungry. So we stopped at Rockin' Toss. I got some catfish and some onion rings. He got, what's that, lemon pepper wings? And he said they good. He keep looking out the window over here at the chicken or I don't even know what this spot is. Charlie's.
Fuck y'all talking on